हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन म्यूचुअल फंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में, लेकिन उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट म्यूचुअल फंड है हमारा कोटक बैंकिंग ETF IDCW। लेट्स नो। NAV net asset value 383.4636 rupees. 383.4636 rupees. Kotak Banking ETF IDCW net asset value. Fund की highlights. Funds की highlights. The current net asset value of the Kotak Banking ETF fund as of 18 November 2021 is rupees 383.4636 for IDCW option of its regular plan. Its trailing returns over different time periods are 43.09% first year, 14.67% 3 years, 14.92% 5 years, and 11.71% since launch. Various category returns for the same time duration are 48.41% first year, 14.53% 3 years, and 12.49% 5 years. The Kotak Banking ETF fund currently holds asset under management of rupees 7,497.07 crore as on September 30, 2021. The expense ratio of the fund is 0.18% for regular fund as on September 30, 2021. The given fund doesn't attract any exit load. Minimum investment required is rupees 5,000 and minimum additional investment is rupees 1,000. Minimum SIP investment is rupees 0. SIP means systematic investment plan. HWP means systematic withdrawal plan. Fund key highlights. Things you should consider: riskometer. Annual return for the last 3 years 12.59%. Suggest investment horizon 3 years. Things you should consider: fund NAV range, 1 month high low 383.464, 416.441, and then 52-week low high 297.072 and 416.441. Fund NAV range, 1 month high low and the second 52-week low high. Asset allocation, investment growth. Asset allocation: equity 99.98, debt 0.00, others 0.02. Investment growth: SIP lump sum, SIP 1,000. This is lump sum 1,000 and SIP 1,000. Equity 95%, 100%, 99.98. Debt 0%, 5%, and others 0%, 0.02%, 5%. Enter investment 3000, 2000, 1000. Kotak Banking ETF Fund 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, 5 years. Comparison. Top 5 series comparison. Kotak Banking ETF IDCW, first year return 27.76, 3 years return 12.59%. SBI Banking and Financial Services Fund Regular IDCW 26.58%, 16.94%, 3 years. First year. Invesco India Financial Services Fund IDCW, first year return 29.56%, 3 years return 16.45%. Sundaram Financial Services Opportunities Fund Regular IDCW, first year 30.53%, then third year return 18.45%. Fund name Tata Banking and Financial Services Fund Regular IDCW, first year return 26.75%, 3 years return 18%. About fund. Kotak Banking ETF Fund is open-ended sectoral banking scheme which belongs to Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund House. The fund was launched on December 4, 2014. Investment objective and benchmark, asset allocation and portfolio composition, tax implication. Investment objective and benchmark. The investment objective of the fund is that the scheme seeks to provide returns before expense that closely corresponds to the total returns of stocks represented by the Nifty Bank index subject to tracking errors. Second, it is benchmarked against the Nifty Bank Total Return Index, asset allocation and portfolio composition. Tax implication. The asset allocation of the fund compares around 99.97% in equities, 0.0% in debt and 0.03% in cash and cash equivalents, while the top 10 equity holdings constitute around 98.28% of the asset. The top 3 sectors constitute around 99.97% of the asset. The fund largely follows a growth-oriented style of investing and investors across market capitalization, around 92.29% in giant and large cap companies, 7.71% in mid cap and 0.0% in small cap companies. Okay, so guys, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.